Hi there, welcome back to the Social Television Network. I'm Chris Coraggio, joined today by attorney Dwane Cates from the Dwane Cates Law Group. Dwane, thanks for being here. We appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
You got it. Okay, let's talk about, because you've been on national news programs frequently talking about different legal issues. One of those issues is when people hear that famous phrase, the right to remain silent. People don't always exercise that right, and it gets them in trouble, right?
Absolutely. Everybody's got the right to remain silent, but very few people have the ability, and it gets them in trouble sometimes.
Because that is the tendency. Human nature is to explain yourself, especially if you truly are innocent, right? You want to talk your way out of this situation.
Innocent people should invoke their right to remain silent more than guilty people do. They have a lot more to lose. You know, they can talk themselves into trouble rather than talking themselves out.
Interesting. You would think it would be the other way around.
Absolutely.
What are some examples you've seen with that?
Well, a big example is DUIs. I mean, when the officer pulls you over and he starts asking you questions, he's looking for a reason to arrest you. And, you know, they'll ask you where you been, where you going. You know, you don't have to answer any questions other than provide your driver's license and your registration. And you don't have to do any of the field sobriety tests, any of that.
You don't have, and people don't realize that. They just assume they have to.
Absolutely. Now, you do have to give a blood or breath test if they ask for it, or they can take your license for a year. So it's a good idea to do that, but answering their questions is never a good idea.
And a lot of people, you were telling me that they said they arrested me before they said I had the right to remain silent. But that's proper protocol, right?
It is. See, they don't have to read you your rights until after you're under arrest, or what they call a custodial interrogation, meaning in the custody of the police. So, you know, they don't have to read you your rights till basically they handcuff you and arrest you.
But they can ask you questions before all that.
Absolutely, they can ask you questions, and they can hold that against you, anything you say.
So that's why it's important to remain silent.
Absolutely.
Until you talk to an attorney like yourself.
And that's what you should do. You should wait and talk to a lawyer before you make a statement to the police.
Okay, folks, you heard it right there. If you would like to contact the Dwane Cates Law Group on this matter or any legal issues, just click the link. We provided it. It's right there on your screen, or you can just call the phone number. Dwane, thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Folks, we'll see you next time here on the Social Television Network.